Hello everyone. Power your wall clock without batteries AAA. Unbelievable innovation. What do you think about this? Please watch how I fix my wall clock in this video. I wish you all a happy video. If the video is useful to you, please support me with a comment, a like, a share, and subscribe to my channel to watch new useful videos. Thank you very much. Don't rush to throw away your broken wall clock. Now consider the cause and fix it. Very simple, nothing complicated. Everyone who watches the video, I think, can do this. The problem with my watch is that it needs to have its battery replaced frequently, and sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't, so I'm going to have to take apart the gear motor of the watch, and let's explore inside and see where it's stuck. If I fix it successfully, I will replace the battery with an 18,650 battery. One thing is for sure, I will have to take it down after 1 year. Do you believe this? Watch the whole video, and you will see right away. As you can see on the screen, this watch has stopped working completely. According to my preliminary diagnosis, it is related to the quartz crystal or so-called quartz capacitor. The motor and copper coil are still working, and there is no heat or burning smell. And right now, Check and I will replace this quartz crystal. I see that this has the function of stabilizing the current flowing through and making our watch work more accurately. As I said at the beginning, this is what caused the watch to stop working. To have replacement quartz components, people can buy new ones or find them in old, broken circuit boards such as remote controls, for 33 Hz rolling door controls, circuit boards with LCD display clocks. They all have the same shape and function and can be replaced with each other. By the way, we should also use alcohol to clean the electrical circuits here to avoid rust and dust, so clean them thoroughly. It's simple, we'll install it and test it out. It's great we've caught the right problem with this watch, guys. This is the important part, and I hope everyone enjoys it. I will be replacing the AAA battery with an 18,650 battery for my watch. I have a lot of 18,650 batteries that I can use for many different projects. I hope everyone supports my channel. Please let me know your opinion or leave any message or character in the comments section. I always encourage everyone to do that in all my videos. Thank you very much. Please wait patiently and see how I assemble this 18650 battery into the watch. The voltage of 18,650 battery is more than 4 volt DC. If we connect it to this wall clock, then it will cause immediate damage. So, here is the circuit to reduce the voltage from 5 volt DC to 1.5 volt DC.
Good? Heat?
Very good. And now I will monitor my wall clock for a long time, maybe 1 to 2 years or so, until the 18,650 battery runs out of power. I will record a video and evaluate the quality of this project. If you like, I will make another video without the step-down circuit as above, using simpler and more economical cell-found components. If anyone has any good ideas, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I will see you all soon. Goodbye. See you again.